Tirunelveli is a district in the state of Tamil Nadu, the birthplace of temples. 6 kilometers from the city of Tirunelveli flows majestically the river Tambrabarani. The speciality of this river is that its water is not just water but has medicinal values and is mixed with minerals. Locals here believe that if they bathe daily in this river, no disease will ever touch them. On the banks of this river stands a small hamlet called Tiruvannathapuram. It is believed that this is the sacred place where Sri Rama liberated Jatayu and paid obsequies in Tambrabarani river. Here is a famous Chintamani Ganapati temple which attracts people all around. This idol of Ganapati in this temple is supposed to be the self-grown Budbhava Murti one. This temple is a wonderful source of energy and power. This Chintamani Ganapati is known to be the remover of all the problems and fulfiller of all desires, Kalpavruksha. This is a view of series of houses in an agrahara of this village. Seeing them as they are without any modifications for decades is in itself a wonderful sight. A great soul was born in a cowshed-like place inside this house on 25th June 1952. This house, which gifted a genius of great wisdom to the world, is a divine place indeed. Sri Venkataraman and Srimati Gomati, belonging to the family of the great spiritual master Swami Shivananda of Rishikesh, named their first child as Vishwanath. The child Vishwanath spent most of his childhood days with his grandmother. Every day, the grandmother used to tell a divine religious story to her dearest grandson. One of the nights before sleep, the grandmother told a very devotional life history of Dhruva to the infant Vishwanath, which was imprinted in the heart of the divine child. The child started believing that through intense yearning for God, the vision of God is possible. One day, the child asked the grandmother whether it is possible to see God if there is a strong urge to see Him. The grandmother replied that if a person with purest devotion and faith invoke God through meditation, surely God will respond, which was well received with faith by the divine child Vishwanath. All of a sudden one day, Vishwanath went to a nearby forest and sat for darshan of God through intense mental invocation and contemplation. After a long time, he heard a sound which was different and distinct and opened his eyes. The child saw a big chip from earth coming out and emergence of statue of Lord Ganapati moving and sitting opposite to him. Vishwanath ran in fear and reported to his grandmother about this incident. After this, the child Vishwanath became immensely convinced that God exists. In the temple Ariyanayagi Ammal in Ariyanayagipuram, many miracles happened to the child Vishwanath that are scientifically unbelievable and challengeable. The miracles included movement of trunk of Ganesha asking Vishwanath to sit on the lap of the idol, smiles from the 6 faces of Lord Shanmuga, the wagging of the tail of dog, carrier of Kalabhairava, and in front of many people, shaking of head of Nandi when the child asked whether he will pass the exam or just to quote a few. In the Sanctum Sanctorum, when the ritualistic lights were offered to the Shivalinga, a ray of light emerged from the Linga's head and entered into the middle of the eyebrows of Vishwanath, who was ringing a combination of 5 bells. This resulted in the soul of Vishwanath flying out from the body and standing aloof to witness his body falling with the bells on the ground. This resulted one bell being broken, and till today only 4 bells are there in the bunch. After quite some time, once again the soul entered the body to become a combined unit of Jiva Chaitanya. Vishwanath's education continued to be in New Delhi and he lived with his parents. The college education was done in St. Xavier's College of Tirunelveli and Vishwanath completed the course of CA. Vishwanath now comes to Bangalore and starts office as an auditor and also does the business of various kinds. In spite of all this, the mind of Vishwanath was always probing into the mystery and nature of truth beyond the eternal world. Vishwanath's experimentation with religions started now. He followed the codes of all religions and found ultimately that the truth is definitely different and it is the underlying principle beyond all these. This resulted in search of truth and Sri Vishwanath started moving around alone in many parts of North India and living alone in caves. Vishwanath also met a spiritual giant, Swami Ishwaranandagiri, who accepted him as a disciple. Sri Vishwanath now became more firm within, and with the teachings of the Master, the unfoldment of the self started taking place. On a golden day, the ultimate experience occurred, stripping Vishwanath of all directions and making him directionless direction, commonly known as self-realization or Jivan Mukti state. Now known as Guruji Vishwanath, the Divine One established Manava Seva Kendra in 1985 for mitigating pain and suffering from humans and showing them the right pathway for living and also the righteous living. Many of Guruji's books throw light on the principles and wisdom in spiritual and material life. The complete work of Guruji Vishwanath is now available in the form of book called Perfection, which answers majority of the questions pertaining to daily life and also handling of situations, tense or otherwise, with perfect ease. The same is taught in such a way that the underlying current in this book is totally spiritual, pertaining to the excellence of intellect in humans.
Perfection is a very good book and it is a must read for everybody. It is a ready reckoner for your.
Just a few days ago, while I was cleaning something, I suddenly smelt a very poisonous chemical with which I was cleaning. I could not breathe then. Whenever I took in breath, I started coughing. My father immediately told me to open this book, Perfection, and read what God's word said. I opened the book and it said, nothing affects a person who has faith. A few days ago, I was very tensed about my test because I didn't have time to study. Then I was very tense, so I opened Guruji Vishwanath's Perfection book and I finished reading it and I closed the book, and then I felt relieved and I started reading my test paper again. I got everything into my mind.
Guruji has got devotees all over the world. There has been great impact on the devotees by Guruji's discourses. Now you are going to see the devotees talking about their relations with Guruji and miracles which happened in their lives. During my second pregnancy, 15 days before delivery, I had lot of complications. When I got admitted to the hospital, fetal movements had stopped. There was internal rupture with high bleeding because of high blood pressure. Doctors had lost hopes and they had declared that baby had died. At that time, I felt I am coming out of my body and I am moving through lot of dead bodies and I am floating just like that. Suddenly, I saw a jyoti, that is in the form of blazing light, which pushed me back into the body and I started breathing again. Doctors had already declared that I was dead, but for their surprise, I started breathing again. It's a miracle which doctors are unable to understand till today. Next night, I saw Guruji as a jyoti, that is light. For me, he is a living God. I am associated with Guruji from past 15 years. At that time, I was visiting different yoga kendras and spiritual institutions. I was an asthma patient. I was finding difficult to breathe from September till March every year. So I was very much frustrated about my life. I was doing yogasanas and pranayamas also. But after meeting Guruji, within few years, asthma disappeared.
Recently, my sister, who is 74 years old, was admitted to a hospital in an unconscious state. The doctors there, after doing head scan, said she is having cerebral hemorrhage and her survival is very remote. And also said even if she were to survive, she will end up with kidney failure or paralysis. But still, they started treating her with all earnestness. But even after 48 hours, she could not recover her consciousness. At that moment, I thought of Guruji and silently prayed for him and sought his help. The next morning, when the doctors went there to treat her, they found positive response from her and she was answering questions even though she was still in an unconscious state. After another 68 hours, she recovered fully and she became normal. She has recovered. You are very lucky. It is indeed really a miracle, they said. But silently I knew it is the help of Guruji.
The hallmark of Guruji Vishwanath is his ability to initiate the men and women of all shades into divine knowledge and reveal the divine light within.
It's very hard to say a lot about Guruji in just a small amount of time because there's so many feelings and experiences we went through all these days. But what I would suggest to people is to read this book that Guruji has written called Perfection.
I have known Guruji for many years. He is more like a friend to me and I have always approached him whenever I felt or whenever I was happy, and in all the moments in my life he has been with me.
I am a truth seeker. I have been searching for many masters. Finally, I found Guruji Vishwanath as the ultimate master who can produce masters himself. Since it is impossible to be with Guruji physically all the time, though it is very interesting and very exciting, so I found that the book Perfection, written by him, is of immense help. Any time of the day, any time, when I just open it random, I have the guidance immediately there. When I am with him, I found that even his mother's death did not cause any disturbance in him. That taught me how to handle my own life, my father's death, etc. And today, I am free every moment, any place, any time.
The national and international media and press have not forgotten to highlight the work and the spiritual divine powers of Sri Guruji Vishwanath time and again. Many television channels around the globe and also Indian TVs like Bangalore Doordarshan, Udaya TV, Jaya TV, Nam TV and many others have telecast programs containing messages directly from Sri Guruji Vishwanath. Many articles praising about Guruji are published in leading newspapers and also magazines all over the world.
To a question about birth, death and life in between, Guruji answers.
The intelligence and karmas are different. So I was trying to tell, this Gupta Chitra decides on the next form, next life form. This Yama is trying to control and put you in a series of experiences outside until you know that you are experiencing that. For that only each birth is devised. 50 years I will give this man. That means within 50 years He has to become Runa Mukta, relieved from the debt. But we create debts. So, Runa Bandhana we create. Instead of getting away, we create more and more, more and more, more and more. So, we are trying to told to follow dharma, follow your duties. So, we are made to believe that there is a hell and heaven. But absolutely there is nothing. Svarga. Svar means a purity of consciousness. Evolve into purity of consciousness or live in the life as a hell, a person in the hell. Naraka. Once again, Naraka in Sanskrit means Naraka. Bala, Balaka. Means small child is Balaka, an infant is Bala. Nara is a grown-up man. Ka means small-minded man. So all the mean-minded persons, all those people who don't have clear mind are already in Naraka. What more they want? And those who want to evolve, those who want to get rid of all this, they are evolving towards Swarga, a movement towards purity of consciousness. So these two are for the world. But the transcendental state of who is experiencing this, once you are aware, then there is no more death physically. Because mental death takes place immediately. Understand? That is the purpose of life.
It is impossible to explain the unlimited divine power and attraction of Guruji Vishwanath. Guruji has undertaken the task of rebuilding the entire structure of humanity by inculcating human values, self-confidence and character building so that each man can feel as a part of God the unlimited, the unconditional and liberated human life.